Once we leave the Clevertouch home screen, regardless of what input or what device we are displaying, we will always see this pen stylus. This is the Clevertouch floating widget, which can be moved around the board to a location that's convenient for you. When we touch the widget, we are brought up a range of different features that will always float on top of whatever you are displaying. These are useful tools that a presenter or a teacher can access without having to go back through the menus of the Clevertouch system. For example, the pen widget is quite a popular one. We can select that. It'll open up some pen tools. So for example, at the moment there's a red pen selected. I can touch the pen, switch to black, touch it again, switch to blue. Quick, easy, simple. If I want to highlight some information, I can use the highlighter pen, touch the highlighter again for a slightly different highlighting color. Really handy, quick and easy. Save options are in there as well. When I exit out of that, my ink will disappear and I can move on with my class. If I want to switch inputs, this little HDMI icon here will bring up the input selection. So if I want to jump over to my laptop, which I'm on there, or back to Android, I can do that quite easily. Back to Android. Other features include cut and paste. So for example, I have this cutting tool here, which for example, I might be on an item or an article of interest in my browser that I want to maybe bring in for a discussion. I can just select my little screen here and that will cut the selected area and bring it into the whiteboarding app as an item. So I can resize it, rotate it, move it, write over it, delete it, whatever you want to do. If I go back on my inputs, and this time I will go to the home page and I will select my browser again. You can see down here I have a magnification tool. I can zoom in and out, back to fit screen. I also have a useful spotlight tool. So if I want to highlight an area, or maybe I have a formula or an equation worked out and I want to reveal it slowly, that can be done through the reveal tool or the spotlight tool. We also have a countdown timer, so we can set that to any duration, maybe for some group work or quiz time or something like that. Again, all on this floating widget that we can access with ease. The active icon here is the same as our active in the Android main menu, just a direct key, and the ever familiar home button always brings us back to the Clevertouch home screen.
Toomeyav Audiovisual have been supplying Irish schools with audiovisual equipment for 50 years. In that time, we have built a reputation for quality, service and backup support which is unparalleled. When you are considering investing in AV and ICT equipment for your school, it is worth considering the proven track record of your supplier within the industry. Call us on 01 466 0515 or visit toomeyav.ie for a superior level of service.